Let's dive and we'll see the 4 major things you will learn while focusing on self-learning. First thing is that self-education can help you develop growth mindset. When you have a growth mindset, you are more likely to be open to new challenges and learning new things. This can help you develop the skill you need to live a healthy and fulfilled life. Second thing is that self-education can help you discover your passion. When you are constantly learning new things, you are more likely to come across topics that you are passionate about. This passion can lead you to develop a new skill and talents. Also, you can monetize them as well. For example, if you're passionate about cooking, you might learn how to become a chef. Or if you are passionate about writing, you might learn how to become a published author. Let's talk about third thing. Self-education can help you stay up to date on the latest trends and technology. As we know, the world is constantly changing and the skill that you need to succeed in life are constantly evolving, right? By self-educating, you can stay ahead of the curve and ensure that you have the skills you need to succeed in the future. Last and fourth one is that self-education can help you to develop a sense of purpose, which is most important thing in your life. If you don't have any purpose, you cannot live a fulfilled life. If you want to live a joyful and healthy life, you should have a purpose. How you can get it? When you are constantly learning and growing, you are more likely to feel a sense of purpose in your life. This can lead to a more fulfilling and satisfying life overall. Thanks for watching the video and promise yourself you will give your 30 to 40 minutes daily on your self-education. My friends, within a 1 or 2 year, you will see the changes on your life. Thank you.